What's up mga karero? So this is me again, night walking here around, and I'm going to the night market food. Tingin tayo ng pagkain, bibili tayo, and then later kakain tayo dun sa noodles. So tingin muna tayo ng pwede nating bilhin. Okay, so I think the store were closed, but let's see, and later we will go there. Okay, but for now, let's go here and look for the food na magustuhan natin. Pag may nagustuhan tayo, bibili tayo, pero pag wala, it's okay. We're just exploring, gala-gala at this time. So it's 6:34 p.m. Medyo nahuhuli to ng isang oras, hindi pala medyo, huli to ng isang oras sa Pilipinas, itong Thailand. So ayan, that is the food here that I can buy. Actually same lang sila ng tinde siguro sa sauce lang nagkakatalo, pero let's still look kasi pare-parehas lang ng tinde. Wala namang iba. So I think dun tayo sa kabila. Dun tayo dun. Okay. So dito may mga lutong ulam. So it must be the same. Then ito later we ask the mango, but for now let's go to the other side of the road, because I think I will buy that I will buy the bag. I will give it to my cousin. So ayan, tumatawid tayo sa kabilang kalsada. Jojo pa kalsada. So this is what I buy.